In this video, I am going to discuss how you can set up the trackings of the button clicks of your website. So what you need to do, you can simply go to the events manager, and from the events manager, you can simply click on settings button. And from the settings, you can scroll down and go to event setup button. So click on this event setup, open event setup tool. Then you need to put your website and click on open website. So your website will be open, and then a small pop-up will also open with your website. So here you can see a small pop-up will also appear with it. So right now it's asking for track a new button or track a URL. So what I am going to do, first of all, for this one, I can select track a URL, and for this URL, I am just selecting as a view content here. And it's also asking for the value for the view content, just do not include any value here. And then click on confirm. The next thing, so just example, if you are selecting any of the products, so I am just clicking on this one. And from this one, if I just want to track this button as a add to cart, so what I need to do from here, so I can simply click on this option, track a new button, and it will show all the buttons on that page as a highlighted one. So I want to click on this one, add to cart, and then I will select that as a add to cart and do not include the value. Confirm. And then it's also showing as a buy it now. Buy it now. I can also check if that button is available, then buy it now. And then I will select it as a initiate checkout. And again, I am not selecting any value here. Then click on confirm button. So I am adding this product to cart. Then from here, I am just going to the cart option. So from here, simply click on continue. So this is like cart button total value. Then I am just clicking on this one, place your order. And then this is the last option before like placing the order. So after adding these details, they will go to the payment option or payment setting. So for this one, continue to shopping, I am just clicking that for as a purchase action. But sometimes the Shopify is not tracking the options on this checkout page. So you need to put the tracking code as in the checkout page. So right now you can see the pop-up is not appearing here. So if the pop-up is not appearing here, you need to make sure the pixel is also installed at the checkout option. So, but before that, going to the confirmation, I am just going back to that page again, where I have set up add to cart and the checkout options there. And then from here, we need to finish this setup. So just right now, it's the loading. We need to wait a little bit. So add to cart and checkout are the proper one. We need to click on the finish setup so that at least we will finish this up. So these are the three, like the 2 button clicks and 1 URL tracking I have put there. Then we simply need to click on the finish button and we can skip this one. So from here at the overview section, you can see the preview. Right now, only the page view option is here. But if I refresh this page, so right now you can see with the page view, also you can see the initiate checkout, add to cart, and the view content events here. So those events will also appear here. So in this way, you can track the button clicks or the specific URLs from your website, and you can put this advanced tracking there.